Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the text you think was copied. Select a concise passage and include one sentence before and after for context. Open both source and destination in plain text mode to avoid formatting noise. This makes patterns obvious. Once done, compute or note character and word counts so you have measurable checkpoints. Make sure to keep both files visible on screen. That speeds comparisons and prevents accidental edits that would change evidence. You now run a systematic comparison. First, use an automatic diff or compare tool to highlight exact matches, then manually scan for paraphrase sections that escaped exact matching. Use quotation searches in search engines for longer phrases. This reveals potential sources fast. Also inspect file metadata and clipboard history where available, because timestamps and author tags often reveal copying events. Once you find overlaps, document each match with. You finish by compiling a clear report. List matched passages, include screenshots, line numbers, and character or word counts for each match. Explain why the overlap indicates copying versus coincidence and suggest corrective actions. If results seem ambiguous, run professional plagiarism software or ask a colleague to perform an independent check. If something looks off, troubleshoot by normalizing encoding and trimming whitespace. These small differences can hide true matches. Rerun comparisons after normalization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.